Hariom. When the world is limited, children are spending more screen time and addicted to the virtual world. It's high time to think of an alternative which would help in the holistic development of children. So we, the students of Chinmaya Vidyalaya, a school with a difference, are presenting before you a game with a difference. And it is based on the vision program of our Vidyalaya. And this game is Mankala. It's regionally known as Pallanguri. And it's a traditional Indian board game and it reflects our ancient Indian culture. And it has got so many mathematical concepts and ample of benefits. It's one of the first games that is based on the applications of multiplication and division. It encourages children to learn counting, and also it improves their social skills, their concentration, their hand-eye coordination, and so much. And in this robotic world, these type of traditional games are very much essential to strengthen personal relationships with their family members, with their friends. So when children are playing this game with their family members, it will strengthen their bondage, their emotional bondage, their love for each other. And with this, let's get started.
Pallanguri is a traditional Mankala game played in South India, especially in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. There are a total of 14 pits. Each pit contains 4 or more seats. In this game, we have taken 4 seats. One player has 7 pits and the other has the left 7 pits. There are 2 additional pits in which we put our savings. The game proceeds in an anti-clockwise direction. So, let's start the game.
First of all, the player will take the seeds from any of its pits and has to distribute the seeds equally in the next pits. Next, he had to take the seeds from the next pit and distribute it. Now here is an empty pit, so the player has to take the seeds from the next pit and can put in the savings pit. So the next player continues the game.
The next player can select the seeds from any of his pits.
Now here is an empty pit, so the player can take the seeds from the next pit. When there are more than one empty pit, the player will not get any savings.
Now in my pits there are no seeds, so I can't take a move.
Now there is only one seed left. So I can directly take the seed in my savings. Now it's time to count the seeds. The player with more seeds will be the winner.
So, done with it? I hope you had a great time enjoying and understanding the game. So before we wrap up, let me give you insights about the benefits as well as the mathematical concepts that can be indulged with our game. So first of all, it helps children to learn counting. So from earlier times also, children used these types of traditional games to count the numbers. And of course, it is one of the first games which was based on the applications of multiplication and division. And the concepts of integers and fractions also emerged out from these types of traditional games. And number two, fine motor skills are developed from playing these types of games. So fine motor skills include even the minute aspects of our actions, which include holding our pen or holding a wrapper or holding a book like that. So it helps to prevent shivering and other types of diseases that can affect our motor skills. And number three, it helps to improve our cognitive ability. Even the players might not recognize this, but it is a fact. And number four, math skills. Even though this game requires some quick mathematics skills, these skills can also be improved with our game. You know the word subtising? It means the ability to count without physically counting it. Which means a person is able to understand how much something is present somewhere without counting it. And Balanguri, our Mankala, helps children to count the beads in a particular pit without physically counting it. And also so much benefits can also be reverted back with our game. It includes improving hand-eye coordination, improving concentration, and improving team skills and sportsman spirit. Yeah, in some regions it's played team-wise, so that's why children or whatever age group they are playing, they begin to understand the game. They develop sportsman skills. They develop the skill to accept their failure and just move on. So like this, our culture is filled with these much values that can be indulged in with these simple games. And the next one is psychological studies reveal that playing these type of traditional games originated in India could help children with ADHD, that's attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. And our indigenous game could help out struggling parents. And studies at the Kottakkal Aryavaidashala also reveal that our game, that's our Pallanguri, it's help in reducing blood pressure. Wow, what a game it is, right? And also it helps patients with arthritis. So even though this is fun-filled and a lot of joy and tactics and a plan is involved, this helps children in their future also. They try to think critically, they plan strategically, and they even try to guess their opponent's move. And for this, our great mathematical concept, probability, comes into attack. So with the probability, the players are able to plan their next move and even guess their opponent's move and move strategically. Right. So to wrap this up, let me give you an equation, and math is nothing without equations, right? So there is an equation that can be indulged in with this, and it is based on this idea that the number of possible positions that a bead or a counter can take is very much important, and it helps the player to plan the next move. For this, there is an equation that is P, which is the possibility or the possible position of the bead, is equal to K times N plus M minus 1 times Cm. So here K is the number of players, N is the number of pits, and M is the number of counters or the beads. So without boring ourselves with too much of mathematics, so let me conclude. It's time for us to revert back to our ancient culture and history, where so much indigenous ideas have evolved and changed human beings a lot. Let us rediscover that and build a future where children are equipped with the holistic skills as well as integrated development, which would help to build a strong nation. Thank you.